Hello everyone. In this lecture video, we are going to learn what is election and what are the two types of elections in our country. चुनाव क्या है और चुनाव के दो मुख्य प्रकार हमारे देश में कौन कौन से हैं, इसी को आज हम लोग सीखने का प्रयास करने जा रहे हैं. Indirect democracy, as we know, is of two types, presidential and parliamentary. So we are the parliamentary form of democracy. And in the parliamentary form of democracy, electing representatives is a very big opportunity for the citizens, for the voters, for the people of the country. What is election? Election क्या है? Election is a constitutional mechanism by which citizens, people, voters of this country choose their representatives at regular intervals and they change them if they wish to do so. चुनाव एक सांवैधानिक प्रक्रिया है जिसके माध्यम से हमारे देश के वोटर, हमारे देश के नागरिक, हमारे देश के लोग अपने मताधिकार का प्रयोग करके रेगुलर इंटरवल पर लगातार एक निश्चित अंतराल पर अपने रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स को, प्रतिनिधियों को चुनते हैं और अगर वो चाहें तो वो उन्हें बदल भी सकते हैं, यानी अगले इलेक्शन में उनको नहीं भी चुन सकते हैं. द टर्म ऑफ द लोकसभा इज 5 years. It means once the Lok Sabha is elected, the next election is going to be after completion of the term, that is 5 years. That is the regular interval we are talking about. इसी रेगुलर इंटरवल के बारे में इस डेफिनेशन में हम लोगों ने बात किया है. ठीक इसी तरह से like that we can say about the Vidhan Sabhas in different states in India. Vidhan Sabha has the term 5 years. Vidhan Sabha, that is legislative assembly or legislature assembly or state legislature, whatever you say. So once a Vidhan Sabha of a state is elected, it is elected for the term of 5 years. And after 5 years, it is once again elected. I mean, a new Vidhan Sabha is elected. That is what regular interval we are talking about here in the definition. Now, what are the two types of election? The two types of election in our country are general election and by-election. Then what is general election? When election is held for all the seats of Lok Sabha or a Vidhan Sabha after completion of the term, then this is called general election. General election is generally held in one or many stages or phases. What is by-election? When election is held for one or few constituencies due to the resignation, death of a member from the Lok Sabha or Vidhan Sabha, it is called by-election. Generally, by-election is held within 6 months since the date of resignation or death of the candidate, I mean the representative of that particular constituency. Why? Because according to a provision in the Constitution of India, no constituency can remain unrepresented for regular 6 months. And we know this also that the maximum gap between two sessions of parliament or a state legislature, I mean Vidhan Sabha, is 6 months. So these are the two types of election in India. general election and by-election. I hope all of you have understood this topic. What is election and what are its two types?